Welcome to TechLux. Please support our channel by leaving a thumbs up and subscribing. Known as one of the world's richest persons with a net worth of $237.9 billion, Elon Musk's main residence is not some big fancy mansion we all know he can afford. The Tesla CEO and owner lives in a $50,000 tiny home in Boca, Chica, Texas, close to SpaceX development and test site. Musk tweeted in June that he had sold most of his real estate assets and that little house was his primary residence. So why did Elon Musk sell his houses and choose to live in a little $50,000 ready-made home? Not long ago, Tesla boss and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk that he's finally made the decision to sell the last remaining house he owned. His decision didn't come out of the blue, as he said on Twitter that he owns only one house in San Francisco Bay Area that people pay to use for events. Musk's decision to put in the house on the market also arises from the fact that a ProPublica report pointing out that American billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett pay only a fraction from their total income on property taxes. This proves that the taxes of wealthiest people in America is only very small compared to how much they are earning. After the report, Musk had replied to a tweet about his last house on June 9th, sharing that he sold his houses except for one in the Bay Area that rented out for events. He says that he is busy working on sustainable energy with his company Tesla. He also mentioned he's also busy launching rockets to space and studying the universe with SpaceX and also this other company called Neuralink. So where does the founder of all these three companies live right now? On June 10th, Musk had mentioned that his main home is literally a $50,000 house in Bogota Starbase that he rented for SpaceX. It's kinda awesome though. Musk had started building his own space-centric colony in Boca Chica, Texas, where many of his ideas have been created and decided to live closely in his office. Taking a look at his track record, it looks like Musk will be able to create a starbase. People living in the calm location of Boca Chica, an isolated beach community in the very southernmost part of Texas, had a life that was calm and peaceful. That is, until Elon Musk came up to build SpaceX there. In March, he announced that he wants to change the name to Starbase. SpaceX is currently building a new factory in Texas for its satellite-based broadband service called Starlink. According to a job posting from the company, he keeps putting more money into the southern US state. Locals have said that Musk's company pushed some people out of their homes using heavy-handed tactics or pressured them into selling their homes in order to make room for the buildings. Musk's plans were first made public for more than a year ago to sell his homes and most of his possessions. As a way to blunt criticism of his wealth within days, he put two of his California properties on the market. According to the ProPublica report, it is said that in 2018, Tesla founder Elon Musk, one of the world's richest person in the world, paid no federal income taxes. Musk may not need a home for much longer even so. He has multiplanetary plans anyway, including putting people on Mars by 2026. As a billionaire, one would imagine that Elon Musk lived in luxurious and expensive houses, but he chose to sell off all his mansions to move into a mysterious tiny house. The designer of this house must be so talented that Musk is extremely eager to live in it. So who built and designed the house for Musk? With Tesla shares going up through the roof with more than $700 per share in just last year alone, the owner and CEO has seen his fortune soar. According to recent estimates, the unpredictable tech leader and crypto enthusiast is worth almost $237.9 billion. Elon Musk's house in Starbase, Texas isn't a sprawling mansion. Rather, Musk's house is a mass-produced 20 by 20 foot box. That's right, Musk is now living in basically a very small studio. His house, so to speak, was made by a company named Boxable. Boxable is a new building company that specializes in easy-to-construct housing modules. Each house can cost as much as $50,000. This price doesn't include any fees related to landscaping permits and utility hookups like electricity and water. Still, it's not as if Elon Musk doesn't care about utility bills considering how rich he is. By design, Boxable homes aren't exactly extravagant. It is reported that most owners acquired the homes can change the design to suit their needs. Recently, the Houston Chronicle shed some light on what Musk's specific Boxable unit is. Boxable posted a video in November from inside the casita, letting people know that the company had just built it for a high-profile and top-secret customer in Boca Chica, Texas. But while the company didn't say who he or she was, Boca Chica isn't exactly a place where celebrities live. Musk admitted that this is currently where he lives. To put it simply, it is not hard to put two and two together. So what's inside the mysterious house? Boxable homes are built in factories to be able to fit into standard shipping containers. They're made from steel concrete and EPS foam, the end result of many years of prototyping to find materials that would not degrade walls, floors, and roofs are all made of laminated panels. The modules are legal for travel on highways. Shipping is free in nearby areas like Arizona, California, Nevada, and Utah, but will have additional costs the further away the destination is. Shipping and unpacking are included in the $50,000 price, though lands and permits or other needs will likely add costs as they will come with plumbing, electricity, and HVAC pre-installed and ready for hookup. Unfolded from the shipping container, the casita looks like this floor plan shows what's inside combined with multiple modules to create additional configurations. It comes with everything it needs, up a studio with 375 square feet of living space. The ceiling is little less than 10 feet high, with big windows and doors even though with its size, it has full-sized kitchen with a refrigerator, double sink, and dishwasher. In the dining space, countertops and cabinets are attached along with the walls. The kitchen might only accommodate one person at a time, but it has plenty of space to keep all full pantry. A glass barn door that slides to the bathroom that takes up less space. The bathroom has a shower and bathtub with a glass door with a vanity mirror that has lights behind it. Right outside the bathroom is a combination washer and dryer with one of many perks of the casita over a typical apartment. A built-in divider with TV stand offers little separation between the sleeping and living room areas. With only 375 square feet space could be a little tight, but the casitas seem like a good choice for an individual or a couple because it comes fully furnished. So there's no need to find custom furniture that fits into small rooms, hardwood floors, high-end finishes. All in all, the house doesn't really look like it's worth $50,000. But it has a gym with dandy interior and is fully equipped with household appliances as if it were a villa. And that's it for today's video. Please show us your support by subscribing to the channel. Also, if you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified for future videos. Thanks for watching.